If you sell taxable products or services, QuickBooks helps you track how much sales tax to charge. If you use this feature, you should know how much you need to pay when you file your state and local sales tax. Let's go over how to set up sales tax. Navigate to All Apps and then Sales Tax Settings in the Sales Tax section. Navigate to Turn on Sales Tax. Make sure you have the following necessary info before turning on sales tax and click Next. Enter your business's address. This address sets up your sales tax rates. If this is already in your company settings, just confirm that it's correct and select Next. There are different rules in different states for when to collect and remit sales tax, and on this step, what agencies to configure. The 3 concepts to consider for when to set up an agency are: physical nexus. Do you have a business presence in a state? Could be location or employee. Economic nexus. Do you sell over a certain threshold either as transactions, total sales value, or combination? And state-administered and/or local administered. One agency for the state that includes any local jurisdictions or local agencies in addition to the state agency. Every state has different requirements for how often you need to make sales tax payments. In this example, the frequency for filing taxes depends on the average amount of sales tax you collect on a yearly or monthly basis. Remember, your state or local laws might be different from each other, so check with the state website or your accountant if unsure which frequency is applicable for your company. Now select the Filing Frequency drop-down menu and choose how often you file sales tax. If the filing frequency is different for other rates and agencies, don't worry. You can assign separate filing frequencies to each of them. Select Next. If you have more than one agency to add, choose Yes. If not, choose No and Next. Finally, click Finish and turn on Sales Tax. This is where QuickBooks keeps track of the money you've collected from customers on sales where you charged sales tax. The top section always shows how much you owe in the current filing period and how much has been collected so far for the next upcoming filing period. If you forgot to add an agency you collect sales tax for, or if you just need to change something, select Sales Tax Settings. From this screen, you can add tax agencies or edit the tax agencies QuickBooks set up for you earlier. Use this window to update your filing frequency or choose a different start date. The start date is the date you want QuickBooks to start tracking your sales tax for you. If you've made any changes, select Save. You can also add a custom sales tax rate if something you collect wasn't automatically set up. Just choose whether it's a single or combined rate, the name of the sales tax, and what agency you collect it for.